Hello brothers and sisters, and welcome back to Chris the Butcher and friends. Listen, we ain't got much time tonight, so we're gonna have to crack on and get this done quick. But tonight I'm gonna do a beef and vegetable jalfrezi. Right, Luke has expressed a desire to keep this healthy, so that's what I'm going to do. So in that pan, if it works, come on, there's definitely some in there. Ha ha ha! We have success! We're putting some fry light in there. And now I've finally chopped some Mary's pie potatoes. Got to get that in. I know this sizzle because it's fry light. You don't quite get it, but I'm going to get these fried off now till they're all golden brown. Also, I nearly forgot, we have some salt in there, some sea salt, plenty of it, lashings. Oh, it gives it some taste, doesn't it? And also, going to open a black pepper, give it a bit of kick. Right, just out of shot there, you can see our potatoes. Can you see them there? They're nearly done. I'll just put them on a low heat there just to keep warm. The pan's on heat. There's no oil in there yet, but there will be. And I suggest I buy some new fry light. Yeah, bugger-ations. Right, listen, you're supposed to put fry light in a cold pan, aren't you? Right, it's in there. And I've got some minced beef. That's what we're using, because we want this to be quick, don't we? Because we ain't got much time. Mincing. And just crush it up now. We want to get this browned off as quick as we can. I'm not adding salt because I'm going to add them potatoes that have got salt in. I'm not adding pepper because them potatoes have got pepper in. What I am adding, courtesy of Brenda Rigdon, Goya Adobo. Get some of that seasoning. That's salt based as well, so you know what I mean. We're going to have plenty of fucking salt in this. That smells magical already. Right, I'll carry on browning this, and we'll add the rest of the other fucking sundries. So the mince is virtually browned off. Finely chopped onion. Just one small or one medium onion will do. We're not going overboard here, are we? We've got the onion in. The washing machine's on again. But next step, Worcestershire sauce. A good couple of teaspoons or tablespoons, you know what I mean? Because you're gonna have the fucking Worcestershire sauce, haven't you? Now that's bubbling again. If everyone was worried about the garlic, don't be. A tablespoon of garlic paste. Hey! Because we fucking love garlic in this house. Orange bell peppers. Potatoes. In broccoli, carrot and cauliflower mix. In stock. In. Now the stock is in. We want to let that reduce a little bit. But before I do, I'm going to put a tablespoon of what they call lazy chilli. Now we'll get that mixed in and we'll carry on. Right, you missed it because I forgot to press record. But I put some spicy paprika in there as well. But our curry sauce of choice, right, listen, I've done kind of a curry from scratch, but this is about easy eating. When you've had a long day at work like I have, you can't be doing everything from scratch, like with cardamom pods and shit like that. So we're going for a Sharwood's Jalfrezi. I've got 2 jars. I might not need them. We're definitely having one in. And get some water in that. And get the rest of that shit out. Lid on. And as usual, give it a good shake. And get the excess curry out. So I'm going to stir this in now. I'm going to see how it lies. Whether we have the other jar or not. Because let's face it, I've cooked enough here to feed the 5,000. Do you know what? It smells great. But I am going in with second jar. Fuck it. Same as usual. Water in there, stir it around. But next time you see this, it'll be going on a fucking plate. So, we're keeping it healthy. And that is my brown basmati rice. Basmati rice, as you call it. You didn't see me do it because I cheated and got the microwavable pouch. But if you can see, I've left a lovely little well in the middle just for the curry, which is coming up right there. Our beef and vegetable Jalfrezi. Now I want to make sure I get everything in there. Potatoes, carrots, cauliflower, broccoli. And you know what? That will do. Not from the angle it won't, but the thumbnail will look a lot better, I assure you. So, without further ado, we're going to fuck off from here. We're gonna, well, we're not, we're going to stay here because I'm going to slide that down me gizzard. And it's time to slide this down me gizzard. I've got a spoon. Right, we've got the beef mince, we've got the orange bell peppers, we've got the onions, we've got the potatoes, we've got the cauliflower, we've got the broccoli, and we've got the carrots. And we've got the crap brown basmati rice, which I'm not really looking forward to, but it is healthy. Right. It is what it is. Let's get some carrot in there. Oh yeah. Oh, incidentally I put some parsley on top. Just to give it some fucking colour. Do you know what? I'm tempted to mix this all in. Which, well, I will do when I finish it off later. Because that rice is not half bad. But I have made some chips as well. Hey! I was going to serve it with chips, but I realised then I had no way of making the thumbnail look actually half decent, so we've got chips with the curry on. Now, brothers and sisters, that is mighty fucking fine. So, brothers and sisters, that was my beef and vegetable Jalfrezi. Now, before we talk about that, even though that was mighty fucking fine, right? Remember me banging on a bit about my backup channel, Chris's Kitchen, and I was on about rebranding it. Now I've done it. I'm not quite finished yet, or I might have done by the time you watch this, I'm not sure. Right, it's now called The Hopwood Show. If I can remember rightly, there'll be a card coming up here, but there will be a link at the end to pop it, right? And in the description. And then if you like watching our live shows with me, Louis, kids and stuff in the back garden, now you have to make sure you jump on there and press subscribe, because that's where them live shows will be in future. Apart from the odd one I might do about cooking on this one. But basically, yeah, that's where I'm going to put all the live shows in future. That's where I'm going to do all my vlogs with me, Lou and kids, everything like that. So you really need to jump on there and hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to keep this one for us cooking. I'm going to keep this channel so I can be lewd. Now, obviously I'm going to be lewd on fucking live streams. That's going to happen, isn't it? I can't help it. When I've had a beer, I'm just, it's like I've got Tourette's. But when I'm around kids, I kind of tend to keep, you know, equilibrium. Let's see if you fucking saying it. Right, anyway, don't forget, hit that thing at the end. Subscribe to the Hopwood Show. Other than that, if you like this video, press like, comment, share it on your social media. Oh, yeah, social media. Come on, let's talk about that for a second. No, let's not, because everyone has social media. Not everyone has Facebook. Facebook is the best place to share it. Snapchat's for fucking gay filters. Instagram's for just posting pictures. Twitter is fucking pointless. Oh, and subscribe and become a member of #teamctb, where I fucking love you.